outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of...
Hello everyone, and Merry Christmas. We're back with another year, making a holiday treat. Today we're making Italian Christmas cookies. And we have a raging fireplace here, as you can see, keeping us nice and warm. And Zep tells me that we've been making these Italian Christmas cookies in our family for over 100 years. So let's get right to the kitchen and we'll start making the cookies. Alright, first you want to start out by getting 3 cups of flour for the recipe, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then you want to put it in a big bowl and just mix thoroughly. Alright, next what you want to do is you want to get 3/4 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and dump it in, and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Add that in. Then you want to grab the mixer, put on level 1, and then mix. Alright, you want to beat that until it turns out really creamy, and then let's move on to the next step. Alright, and what you want to add to the creamy butter mixture is 3 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of anise extract. So let's add this in. Next, what you want to do is you want to get a sifter and then slowly sift the flour into the butter. But one mistake I did make, and what you should do, is put the butter mixture into the bigger bowl and then the flour into the smaller bowl, but it doesn't matter. Make sure to not overbeat this too. And then you want to mix this together and beat it, but make sure not to beat it too much. And once you've incorporated all the ingredients and made one giant dough ball, you want to put it into the refrigerator and saran wrap on it for 1 hour. Alright, the dough has been resting in the fridge for 1 hour now, and you want to roll the dough into a 1-inch dough ball, as you can see. Alright, so you want to put the dough ball here, then you want to get a cup, a mug or whatever, something like this, and then smush it down. And have it stick to the mug, and put it right there, just like so. Alright everyone, as you can see, we have about 40 to 44 of these cookies here, and we're going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, so these have been in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Took them out, but that was a while ago because you want these cookies to cool completely, folks. Alright everybody, so now we're going to make the glaze for the cookies. We have 2 cups powdered sugar right here, 3 tablespoons of whole milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so now you want to beat this until it's smooth. Alright, so now we have our glaze, and you want to take these cookies and dip them in here 1 by 1. Shake off all the excess. Go. And we're going to get some sprinkles and put them on the top there. And now you have a holiday Christmas sugar cookie. Alright, now these cookies are all glazed and sprinkled up, but note, this glaze will hard almost like instantaneously. It's insane. So make sure after you dip each cookie in the glaze, you sprinkle them immediately after so they don't so the glaze doesn't harden. Now, time to try them. Look at that. One bite. Everyone knows the rules. The sprinkles are good. I like it. The cookie's very flavorful. I like it. You can definitely taste the glaze. Personally, my favorite part is the glaze. It always has been on cookies, frosting, whatever you want to call it. But these are good. I'm going to give it 8.5 out of 10. These are really good. I like them. So make them yourself if you want for the holiday season. And that wraps up the 2024 holiday Blake Zep Show treat. We made holiday Christmas cookies this year. If you haven't watched the previous holiday videos, go watch them. But this year was a success as usual. Cookies were good, video was good. So thank you all for watching. Have a Merry Christmas or whatever you celebrate, and Happy New Year. So thank you for watching.
Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
They told me, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, a newborn king to see, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum. Our finest gifts we bring, ba-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum.